subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching Vivo X60 and X60 Pro, the company has now launched another smartphone under the same lineup in China called Vivo X60 Pro Plus, and it is the higher variant of this series. Talking about the specifications, the Vivo X60 Pro Plus features a 6.56-inch Full HD Plus Curve AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, and the screen supports HDR10+. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset paired with Adreno 660 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8 or 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 128 or 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. In terms of camera, the Vivo X60 Pro Plus supports a quad camera setup on the rear in a large rectangular module at the top left corner, including LED flash and a laser autofocus system. The quad rear camera includes 50MP main camera with f1.57 aperture plus 48MP ultra wide angle lens with 114° field of view plus 32MP portrait lens with f2.1 aperture and a 8MP periscope lens with 5x optical zoom support. The rear cameras of the phone are capable of recording 8K videos at 30 frames per second, and it supports 4-axis optical image stabilization for stable video recording. At the front, it has an 32MP selfie camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.45 aperture. As per the software, the handset runs on Android 11 based on Origin OS skin on top. The device comes equipped by 4200 mAh battery that supports 55 watts fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 158.59 by 73.35 by 9.10 millimeters and it weighs around 190.6 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Vivo X60 Pro Plus has been priced in China for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 4,998 Chinese yuan, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 5,998 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in dark blue and classic orange color options, and it is set to go on sale starting from January 30th. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo X60 Pro Plus 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.